Hey guys, it's me, your pal Sparrow Medicine, and this is just a quick video of me fucking around in the flood or hurricane, what have you, that happened in North Carolina the other day, and the cameraman was also walking around in it, so those tiny baby feet, those aren't mine. I got like 13s, you know what they say. But anyways, if you want to wait a sec, I got a really cool video coming up. I know I said Monday, and it's the first one, suck my dick. I got a real cool bug video coming up after this, so. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.